Want to supercharge your seller communication and keep them in the loop the moment their data hits Kvcore? Let's break down exactly how and when Kvcore fires off those all-important SMS messages to your sellers after you import a file. Ensuring they get timely updates first, you'll need to go to your Kvcore dashboard and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section. From here, select the Import option. During the import process, it's crucial that your spreadsheet has a column dedicated to seller phone number. Kvcore uses this specific column to identify who to send the SMS messages to, so make sure the data is correct. Now, let's talk triggers. The core condition is simple. A new listing or updated listing data from your imported file must match an existing contact in Kvcore, tagged as the seller. This prompts Kvcore to send a message. So ensure the contact information matches. The trigger can be for any data property, performance, leads generated, or upcoming appointments. And speaking of messages, Kvcore uses preset SMS templates for these alerts. You can customize these templates under the Marketing Autopilot settings to reflect your brand and provide specific details about listing activity and performance. By ensuring accurate data, correctly mapping your columns during import, and tailoring your SMS templates, you'll keep your sellers informed, engaged, and feeling valued.